Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the file and immediate metadata. This saves time later. Sign in to the Google account you use for publications, then open Google Scholar and go to My Profile. Once there, choose how to add the item. Click the plus button and pick Add Article manually, Add Article via Import, or claim an automatic suggestion. Do this now so you don't interrupt the process. Making a quick decision determines which fields you'll edit next. Now you fill in detailed metadata. Accurate fields make your work discoverable. Enter the exact title, author names as you want them to appear, journal or conference, year, volume, pages, and DOI if available. Attach the PDF or paste the stable URL, then choose the access type, public, restricted, or repository. Make sure author names match your profile to merge citations correctly. Once done, review citation fields and related works so Google Scholar can index and link citations properly. Finish by saving the entry and immediately checking your profile for the new item. Indexing may take 24 to 72 hours to appear in search. If duplicates show up, merge them to consolidate citations, and if metadata is wrong, edit fields or add a missing DOI. If the article never gets indexed, investigate access. Ensure the PDF is public, repository permissions allow crawlers and robots. TXT doesn't block indexing. Re-upload a public copy, if needed, and monitor indexing progress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.